Hey people, since I'm on this whole mission of anything interesting I find, I like to share it with my cute little YouTube family. So there is this page on Instagram called Soapy Glow Formulations. It's being run by the sweet girl who's a sweet young lady who's a full-time employee with one of these top brands, and in her free time she makes these amazing soaps and lip balm, and it is just mind boggling, and she's offering these classes at such reasonable prices. It's just amazing. So people do check it out. It's called Soapy Glow Formulations, Soapy Glow underscore formulations on Instagram, and you'll find her profile. And of like I've so far interviewed, I think, more than, I've covered more than 100 people on my Instagram page. Whenever I find an interesting profile, I like to profile them. And I find her page to be so it's it's like irresistible. Once you come upon her page, you want to enroll and learn lip balm making, or any of these amazing, anything cosmetic related. She teaches you how to make it yourself. So Soapy Glow Formulations it is. And sweethearts, you'll have to check out this page. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.